Jai Sriman Narayana. The following commentary I am about to give is by Ramanujadasa Sriman Gattu Venugopala Swami. Chapter 2 Sankhya Yoga Sloka 18.
Antavanta ime dehaha nityasyoktaaha saririnaha anasinaha aprameyasya tasmat yudhyasva bharata. Om.
Through Arjuna, Bhagavan Sri Krishna is teaching and clarifying to us about the nature of the body we are residing in. He is saying that Arjuna, the Atma is indestructible and pervades the body. Through the body, the Atma experiences everything. Atma is known as Bhokta, which is the enjoyer or the beneficiary. The indestructible Atma, which is known as Bhokta, pervades the perishable body. This is clearly understandable, right, Arjuna? So, without holding on to any doubt, go and fight this war. This is how Bhagavan Sri Krishna was clarifying the nature of the perishable body. The reason for bodies to perish is that the body is a combination of some objects. Whenever an entity is formed from a combination of some objects, that combination of objects will one day separate and that entity will be destroyed. The home of Atma is known by two names. The first is Sariram and the second is Deha. Sariram means decreasing and Deha means increasing. Since all the organs are joined together and is growing, it is called Deha. The Deha grows to an extent and then slowly in a sequence it decreases. Since it is decreasing, it called as Sariram. After a while, it decreases and turns non existent and completely perishes. This is the nature of the body. The Jiva or living being in this body never perishes. This is why this Jiva is called as Anasi. Why are Jivas obtaining these bodies? Jivas keep acquiring these bodies to experience their fruits of their karma. Since the jiva resides in the body and through the body experience the fruits of their karma, the jiva is known as aprameya. This is what Bhagavan Sri Krishna was teaching Arjuna and was saying, Arjuna, these are all the reasons that the Atma does not perish and that nothing can stop the body from perishing. Since these facts are obvious, get up and go fight this war without holding on to any doubt. This is how Bhagavan Sri Krishna was encouraging Arjuna. Through this sloka, the message and lesson we should understand and obey is that in our daily routine life, we don't change ourselves, but we change the vehicles that we ride. When we say we, who do we mean? When we say we are referring to the permanent and the imperishable jiva that changes sariras over time. Right now, we are in this sarira. Then, after some time, we will be in another sarira. But regardless of which sarira or how many sariras we change across, we, the jivas ourselves, are eternal and imperishable. Let us all try to recall this fact at least once every day. This way, we are doing mananam or reflecting on the nature of Atma daily.
Antavanta ime dehaha nityasyoktaaha saririnaha anasinaha aprameyasya tasmat yudhyasva bharata. Om. Antavanta ime dehaha nityasyoktaaha saririnaha anasino aprameyasya तस्मात् युध्यस्व भारत। ॐ श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।
The entire essence of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is given by Sri Krishna Paramatma in chapter 18 slokas 65 to 70 to do 8 things. Sri Krishna says, I love those who follow these 8 things. I will protect those devotees in all kinds of ways. After listening to all of Bhagavad Gita spoken by Sri Krishna Paramatma, Arjuna says, Karishye Vachanam Tava, which means, Krishna, I will do as you say. This is why Sri Krishna has bestowed Arjuna all kinds of successes and victories. Let's give Paramatma our oath that we will observe these 8 actions. There is no puja, tapas or yajna that is greater than giving this word to Paramatma. I will say these 8 oaths we should make. You all please think this in your mind and heart. In this way of us giving Sri Krishna our word, let us all visualize Sri Krishna's face beaming with joy and feel bliss. Jai Shriman Narayana. These are our 8 promises. O Shriman Narayana, as you instructed, I will always meditate upon and think of you. O Sriman Narayana, as you advised, I will always be your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I will perform all my actions as service to you and for your satisfaction. O Sriman Narayana, as you said to follow, I have great faith that I belong to you, and I will always join my hands together and do namaskaram to you and worship you. O Sriman Narayana, I recall your words, Mam Ekam Saranam Vraja, that you said to surrender to you alone. Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I recall your words, Ma Suchaha, that you are giving us reassurance to not grieve. I shall no longer grieve. O Sriman Narayana, you have graced and blessed us all by delivering Srimad Bhagavad Gita for our sake. I promise to read or listen to at least one sloka daily. O Sriman Narayana, you delivered Gita to all humanity. I will try to spread your divine words in Gita to those devotees that are unfamiliar with Gita. We just made our 8 promises to Paramatma, giving Sriman Narayana our word each day that we will do as he says itself is a great puja. Let's give him our promise with our unshakable faith. O Sriman Narayana, I will do as you say. I will behave as you wish, and I will work only for you. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, which means, Sriman Narayana, I will act according to your instructions. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam Astu. Jai Shriman Narayana. Jai Shriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let's spend 1 minute daily and read Narayana Astram. In order to obtain Narayana Astram, go to Narayana Astram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayana Astram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads or listens to their Narayana Astram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Sotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.